Hi everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important part of algebra, equation and inequality. You've already learned about expressions. Now, we'll go one step further and learn how to represent and solve when two sides are equal or not equal. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to write equations and inequalities, use models and reasoning to solve them, understand what their solutions mean in real life. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical sentence that shows two things are equal. It always includes an equal sign. For example, 3x plus 5 is 11. This means 3 times a number plus 5 equals 11. Our goal? Find the value of x that makes this true. To solve it, we think like detectives: what number fits the clue? Solving a simple equation. Let's solve 3x plus 5 equals 11. Step 1. Subtract 5 from both sides, which gives us 3x equals 6. Step 2. Divide both sides by 3. Then x is 2. So, x is 2 is the solution, the number that makes the equation true. To check, substitute 2 back in. Then we got 3 times 2 plus 5 equals 11. Perfect. Real-life example: shopping. You're buying 3 notebooks and you spent $11 in total, including $5 for a pen. How much is one notebook? Let's write an equation. 3x plus 5 equals 11. When we solve, x is 2, by subtracting 5 from both sides and dividing by 3. That means each notebook costs $2. Equations help us describe and solve real-world problems easily. What is an inequality? An inequality is similar to an equation, but instead of showing equal, it uses 4 symbols, which are greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Examples: x is greater than 5, y is less than or equal to 10. These mean x is greater than 5 and y is less than or equal to 10. Inequalities are like rules: they tell us what values can or cannot work. Graphing inequalities on a number line. Let's take x as greater than 3. To show it on a number line, draw a circle at 3 open circle because 3 is not included. Shade to the right because x is greater than 3. If it were x is less than or equal to 3, you'd fill in the circle at 3, which means closed circle. Shade to the left. The direction and circle types show which numbers are possible solutions. Now, let's solve an inequality. Let's solve 2x plus 3 is less than 9. Step 1. Subtract 3 from both sides, which gives us 2x is less than 6. Step 2. Divide by 2, giving us x is less than 3. So any number less than 3 inches makes the inequality true. Check the answer. If x is 2, 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 7, which is less than 9, that's true. Real-life example: budgeting. Imagine you have $20 to spend. You buy a $6 t-shirt and want to know how many $3 bracelets you can afford. Let's write an equation, which would be 6 plus 3x is less than or equal to 20. Now, try to solve it. First step, subtract 6 from both sides. Then we got 3x is less than or equal to 14. Next step, divide by 3, giving us x is less than or equal to 4.6. So, you can buy 4 bracelets and stay within your budget. That's how inequalities help in everyday decisions. Wrap up and practice. Let's review. An equation shows equality. An inequality shows comparison using 4 different symbols. Solve both using the same rules. Subtract, add, divide, or multiply both sides. Practice challenge. Challenge 1. Solve 4x plus 5 equals 17. Challenge 2. Solve 2x minus 1 is greater than 5. Think you can do it? Try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether it's equality or inequality, math helps us find balance.